Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning yourself so actions are clean and intentional. Walk up to the wagon and hitch your horse a few steps away. This prevents accidental movement and gives you space to access the storage. If anyone is nearby, lower your profile. Holstering the weapon helps avoid confrontation. Once in front of the storage panel, press the Interact control to open it. This reveals crates, satchels, or a med box. You want the compartment open and visible before reaching for medicine. With the compartment open, visually scan for medical items. Med bags, tonics, or bandages display clear icons. Move the cursor over each container to highlight contents. This reduces wasted rummaging. When you see medicine, use the take or grab prompt to transfer it to your inventory. Some items come in stacks, so pick the quantity you need. If multiple sacks exist, get the mission-critical or highest-value medicines first. Then fill remaining inventory slots with common tonics to stay stocked. After grabbing medicine, close the wagon and re-hitch your horse to avoid losing items during movement. Immediately open your item wheel or inventory to confirm the medicines registered and note quantities. If the compartment is locked, either pick the lock with a lockpick or search the nearest driver or guard for a key. Stealth takedowns can be quieter. If the medicine fails to appear, move away a short distance and reopen the wagon or fast travel to reload the area. Then try the interaction again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.